Starting around 13 July 2023, STEPN is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.63% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. GMT explicitly has a really all-out market cap of $251,629,073, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $74,271,439. Or so they in every practical sense thought. This in every practical sense makes STEPN, GMT, really positioning at 116 in the cryptographic money market in an extremely significant manner. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023. What will STEPN by and large be genuinely worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is STEPN in every practical sense wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Will GMT cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which sort of is very huge? These especially are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023. As per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost truly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of 26 cents, the normal least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to explicitly be 26 cents in a truly significant manner. Besides, GMT can truly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 29 cents in a sort of significant manner. GMT value gauge July 2023. The STEPN estimate for July 2023 expects that the GMT may generally arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of 23 cents with a fundamentally least cost of around 20 cents in a by and large significant manner. Discussing the really normal value, GMT can stretch around 23 cents for July, showing that these are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. GMT value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, STEPN essentially is supposed to explicitly arrive at an especially least value worth of 22 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of 24 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 23 cents, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN, GMT, value expectation September 2023. The cost for STEPN in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 23 cents and 25 cents, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around 24 cents, showing that starting around 13 July 2023, STEPN sort of is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.63% in very most recent 60 minutes, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. GMT value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of STEPN in every way that really matters is determined to explicitly be at around a kind of least worth of 24 cents. Which basically is very critical. The STEPN value worth can basically arrive at a very limit of 26 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 25 cents in United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely huge. STEPN, GMT, value expectation November 2023. The cost for STEPN in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 25 cents and 28 cents in an unpretentious manner, while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to be around 26 cents, demonstrating the way that the GMT cost could truly arrive at and in every practical sense, greatest cost of 24 cents, with the really normal cost around 23 cents, which sort of is very critical. GMT value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of STEPN basically is determined to sort of be at around a by and large least worth of 26 cents in an especially significant manner. The STEPN value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of 29 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 26 cents in United States dollars, which truly shows that besides GMT can generally arrive at a very greatest value level of 29 cents. Or so they really thought. STEPN kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The STEPN's cost, generally has shown a genuinely decent increment of 3.19% in the very most recent 24 hours, which basically demonstrates the way that discussing the very normal value GMT can essentially stretch around 23 cents for July, exhibiting that these truly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, which truly is genuinely huge. From especially most recent 7 days, the GMT generally was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.97%. Which sort of is genuinely huge. STEPN basically has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, so this basically makes STEPN GMT really positioning at 116 in the digital currency market, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT certainly diminished by 42.955%. Dispensing with an astounding kind of typical amount of 17 cents from its sort of current worth incredibly. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a kind of good truly purchase and open door for extremely speedy venture. Or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change especially is near 60.12%. And the cost certainly circled from a sort of least commonly normal cost of 51 cents to extremely greatest sort of normal cost of 59 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days. So while the really normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around 24 cents, showing that starting around 13 July 2023, STEPN generally is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.63%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical, STEPN for the most part is somewhere near 10.71%, with the extremely greatest certainly normal cost of the coin, sort of was around 29 cents, and the kind of least sort of normal cost of truly was around 28 cents in exceptionally beyond 4 months, exhibiting how by and large is STEPN a wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner. STEPN value figure 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be STEPN genuinely worth in 2023 in a sort of huge manner? The GMT cost by and large is gauged to truly arrive at and in every way that really matters, greatest degree of 29 cents, within every practical sense, least cost of 26 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. Does STEPN for the most part have a future, which is genuinely huge? As far as value, STEPN in every practical sense has an exceptional extremely potential to by and large arrive at new levels, showing how Stepn generally has shown areas of strength for truly of potential of late. And this could be decent, an open door to really dive right in and contribute. So this truly makes STEPN